Hi everyone, Jake here from RedboxVR, here to show you how to use our ShowtimeVR kits and answer the most common frequently asked questions. Hopefully this video will help you use our kits to solve any problems you might encounter independently, but of course, we're always here if you need us. Question 1. What is a ShowtimeVR kit and what's it used for? ShowtimeVR is a premium system designed to allow for 360 video playback across one or many VR headsets from a central control device, like this tablet included in our 5-user Pico G3 Plus kit. I'll be using this laptop for the demonstration, but the process is exactly the same with the tablet that we provide with our kits. Question 2. How to play 360 videos both individually and at scale. First, we have to make sure that the headsets and the tablets are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you've purchased a complete kit from us, the headsets and the tablet will already be connected to the integrated router, for which the password is found in your user guide. Then it's just as simple as making sure the case is plugged into the mains and switched on here. We may well have added your content to the headsets already. If that is the case, then simply open up the Showtime controller on your tablet, select the video you would like to play and the headsets you would like to play them on, or hit select all and press play. Question 3. How to add and remove content from your headsets. First, connect a headset to a PC using the included USB-C cable. Then, navigate to internal shared storage under this PC, ShowtimeVR, videos, 2D, and then you will see the list of videos currently stored on the headset. To delete them, simply click on a video and press delete on your keyboard, or right click and press delete on the options menu that comes up. This will send it to your recycle bin on the computer, much like any other video file. To add your own video content, simply drag and drop into the folder. Again, much like moving any other file around on your computer. Wait for the loading bar to complete, and once it does, the video will now be available on ShowtimeVR Control Center, just like the others. Thank you for watching. I've been Jake.